Hello guys, welcome to the second part of the video. In the first part we have explained dashboards, markets, tips, screeners, but we forgot to explain about the important links. Now see the important links. We have given here all the important websites of the financial market. Here you can quickly browse like NSE. See how quickly you can browse all the important websites. You can quickly close it. BSE. See, so you can easily know. You don't have to go to the Google browser and check. Rediff Money, Money Control, every link has been given from where you can easily browse the any importance Google charts, NSE, F&O list. You can check all the contracts of stocks, indexes, top contracts. Quickly you can check from these links, so you don't have to go to the Google browser and search it. Here Yahoo charts, global future markets, Bloomberg quants, trading view charts. You can also browse from here the trading view charts and search. Suppose you want Infi, NSE. See, this is the way you can browse all the important links and check all the important websites. So this is the beauty of the important links. Now another part we have forgot to mention, the price patterns. What is price pattern? Here you can check the price of any stocks. Like suppose I am searching for the Amara Raja battery. Here you can see with the signal all the price are recorded every day, and you can check. You can find your own pattern in the price. You can check other parameters, volume, percentage delivery, average trade price, turnover, number of trades, and find your own secret with the help of this. By seeing the price pattern, you can able to price pattern and signal pattern. You will able to find ki after first jackpot sale, after first intraday buy, after first jackpot buy, how many days it goes up. This is the beauty of the price patterns. So this is the cash price pattern. Similarly the future stocks price patterns. Here you can check the future price, stocks price of any stocks. See, so this is the way you can check all the price pattern from the last 1 month data. You can get here and analyze the data. So convenient way to analyze the such data, and you can find your own secret with the help of this. Now this is the market activity page. Here you can check the market activity. Full day activity is recorded here. This is updated after market hour. See FII data, index, India VIX, Nifty, Bank Nifty, trade stats, all the information are given. Here we have also given our impact, ki by so many of data what will be the impact on this. Positive, negative impacts are also given. If maximum number of impact is negative, the market will go negative. If maximum number of impact is positive, the market will go positive. This way you can analyze the data. So this is the beauty of the market activities page. Here individually FII cash flows, DI cash flows, daily cash flows, you can check it last 1 month. This is the way. Advanced declines, you can check new 52 week, how many 52 week high low is making. You can check block deals, you can check bulk deals, and many more. Put call ratio, you can check. Put call ratio is very important for the F&O traders. VIX recording, how VIX is changing. Derivative data, this is the derivative data, you can check. FI and DI F&O data, you can check individually. Recording last 1 month records you will get here. Option data, future data, stock option data, so you can check here like this. Okay, so this is the market activities page. Now let us go to the premium services. What are the premium services? There are so many premium services are there in this Monetary Robo app. Let us go to the first screener, a special screener page. Here about the premium services we have written here also, you can read it. Preview page. Every time you have to click on the subscribe button if you are a premium service users. Here a special screener, nothing but it can find all the jackpots from the whole NSE stocks. See, all the jackpots are coming with recommended time. Here you can filter it by timing. See, recommended price is given. Recommended price is nothing but a signal price and which signal time at which this signal is generated. The list is very big, so if you want to check on the Nifty 50 stocks, then you can check in the Nifty 50 stocks. See, 2 stocks are jackpot stocks. Reliance, which has given signal as 2126 and gone to 2148 and more than this. Sun Pharma, it has gone down. So this is the way you can check all the signals. Jackpot sales, here you can check the jackpot sales, filter it, sort it. Intraday buy, you can check it, you can check intraday sale. So you can check anything quickly of the all this in all the signals quickly. This is the special experience. Now go to the market strategy page. This market strategy page is a gold mine for the knowledgeable people. Here you can set your own strategy, like we have set buy above levels. See, this is our condition, we have set the conditions and this is the buy above levels. Similarly you can check, this is the conditions we have shown here. So 3 stocks are coming. This is the strategy, we can set it and you can take the alert of that strategy. I will clear here how you can make your own strategy. Suppose XYZ strategy we are making. Select the sector, F&O sectors. F&O sector, LTP is greater than buy above levels. Buy above levels, signal is equal to jackpot buy, price is greater than this is the example. Now save it. Your XYZ button has been formed and now check the results. See the result. This way your all the results will come, and also by star functions you can compare signal time, recommended price, you can compare counters, you can compare buy above levels, sell below levels. So this is the beauty of the star functions. Here profit and loss are calculated on the buy above levels and sell below levels. So this is the beauty, you can refine your own strategy make a button, it will act like the refine your strategy and in live market and save it. This button will work every day. Don't have to write every time your criteria. Button is your made and your criteria is already available on the top, and so this way you can refine your own criteria, make a button and take the alert of this. So I will tell you how to take the alert of this strategy in later sections. Now this is the stock idea page on which there are various stock ideas are given: multi-bagger, value buying, momentum stock, high dividend stock, high growth stocks, Tendulkar style, Dhoni styles, marathon style. These are things. Suppose I click on the marathon style, see the criteria, what criteria we have chosen for these marathon styles, and see the result of such stocks. So this is the beauty of our stock ideas which we post here when we find the suitable stocks. So this is the beauty of the stock ideas. Here nothing new stock ideas has come, so it has blank. Now go to the signal alert. How you can see how alert will work here. See, this is the preview page of the alert, how the preview page will come. Now click on the subscribe, add your alert. See how we have added our alert here. You can also add alert sector mark. Suppose that F&O sectors, jackpot buy, save it. Your alert has been added. Similarly, you can add alert from your watch list. Right now we have made the watch list. PKG1 is watch list we have made. Intraday buy, jackpot buy, you can save it like this. Now we have added for the PKG1, intraday buy, save it. So when any stocks of jackpot buy come in your watch list, it will notify you. When any stock of intraday buy will come, signal will come intraday buy, it will notify you and it will be saved in your signal notifications. When any notification will come, it will come on your mobile display like WhatsApp comes, and also saved in here the notifications signal page. Here all the notification you can check later on. So this is the beauty of the signal alert and signal notifications. Now check the support and target page. What is support and target page? You can read about the support and target page. This is the preview page. Now click on these subscribe buttons. Suppose you want to check the Maruti. So you must know the where is Maruti. Maruti is in the Nifty 50. So select the Nifty 50 and check the Maruti. And check the Maruti here. See. By clicking on the buy button, you can see the labels, buy above labels, targets. You click on the sell button, you will see the sell below labels and target resistance support labels. You have to sell always the sell below label. Your stop loss will be there. If you don't cut the stop loss level, you must cut your position when the stock goes above the resistance level. Similarly, for the buy above labels, if don't cut your position or the stop loss, you must cut your position when the stock goes below the support level. So this is the way you can find the support and target for the every stocks. Here in the future, search button will comes. The search button will comes. Suppose you want to check the Reliance. Suppose you can check top 5 stocks, top 5 gainer quickly. Buy above labels, sell below labels. You can find the quickly and take the decision within a minute. Here signal time, signal is given, everything is given. Suppose you want to go to the technical page, check technical page, go from here, click on the symbol and go to the technical page. See, you can check all the technicals by going into the technical page. We have already explained about this technical page. So you can quickly check here and the levels and take the decision. This is the beauty of the support and target. Now quickly we can go to the trading tools. Trading tools, here there is a preview page. You can read it about it, what are there, how it works. So click on the subscribe button, select the sectors. You will find all the top gainers like this. So this is the trading tool. In this trading tool, more than 93 strategies are there. You can select any strategy against the any sector and refine your results. See what are the strategies there. So many 93 strategy are there. You have to practice your own strategy. I will recommend 5 to 7 strategy like jackpot momentum buy strategy, double moving crossovers. See how refined results are coming. Another move, double moving crossovers, 20 DMA and 50 DMA. Another moving crossovers, 5 DMA and 20 DMA. 5 DMA and 20 DMA are better for the intraday trades. So guys, keep on watch these double moving crossovers. You can also check the star function, which I already explained earlier. You can check the signal times. You can check the recommended signal price. You can check the counters. You can check the counter, clicking on the counter numbers. You can check the which counters it has come in the auto signals. This is the beauty. This way you can, here you can check the buy above levels. Here also you can check the target, support, target and stop loss also by clicking on the LTP. Click on the LTP, 2 button will open, buy and sell. Click on the buy button, this page below will open. So quickly you can check if any stock is running above the resistance level, it is a sure short buy. See in SCL Tech, resistance is 664 and see how much it has gone. Also see the buy above level is 654, how much it has gone. So quickly if any stocks has gone the resistance, cross the resistance level, cross the target T1 levels, it is a sure short buy calls. So you have to keep watching on the resistance level, target T1 levels. If any stock cross, then this is the sure short buy calls. So this is the way you can analyze all the parameters by a star icon. This is the beauty. Signal times. So there are 93 strategy are there. So one is momentum strategy by double moving crossovers. Other is I recommend you the buy calls. It is our refined calls. Since data has changed, that's why it has not come here. Another is the bluish engulfing. So this way you can check. Suppose 3 to 4 scans you are seeing the some common stocks, catch that common stocks. That common stock is the sure short buy. Otherwise find the, if any stock is running above the resistance level and cross over the target T1 level, this is a sure short buy. So this is the way you can check that. This is the beauty of the trading tools. You can take the alert of this also. You can take the alert of also. By going in the signal alert, which we have already explained, you can take the alert from by just add your favorite. Just go to the signal alert, add that signal alert, trading tools. Now add your trading tools, favorite trading tools. Select the sector F&O, select the bluish engulfing. Suppose bluish engulfing, save it. But this is the beauty. You can take the alert from there also. So this is the beauty of the trading tools. Now go to the pre-market. This is also preview page is written, how it is works. You can check there also. See here, select the Nifty 50, select the parameter percentage change. You will able to analyze the last 4 days data, and you can quickly see which stock is gapping today, which stock is, suppose this is the Yes Bank gap down. See the results. See which stock has gone up. So Reliance. So this way you can analyze your own tricks and find the stocks. This is the pre-data which uploaded in the app after 9:12, before the 9:12 am. So daily we can, within the 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes, by analyzing, you can quickly analyze the last 4 days data as find your own secrets. If you want to learn from my secrets how to analyze the pre-market data, then you have to join our technical analysis course. We will explain in this what are the secrets of pre-markets, how you can scan easily, how you can refine it, and how you can catch before the market moves. So these are the data. On the basis of this you can find your own secrets of pre-markets. Similarly, open interest analysis. Here click on the subscribe. There are 4 buttons: long build up, short build up, long winding, short winding. Every F&O trader know what is a long wind up, long build up, short build ups. So suppose you want a expiry date 37 and long build up. What are the stocks which has come in the long build ups? See, 3 stocks has come in the long build up. So this is the close price, is the future price, cash price is the LTV price, cash LTV price. In the live market, cash LTV price will change. So by, if any stock is going above their previous future close price, then it is your short buy call. You can check the parameters: open interest percentage, open interest change, percentage volume change, percentage yesterday change, and by analyzing the cash price. If cash price is running 1% or 2% above their future price, yesterday close future price, and here it is also in the long build up, so it is a buy call. So this way you can refine your own secrets here by analyzing the data. If you want to learn from my, then you join our online classes and learn all the secrets of a stock markets and all the secrets of analyzing the data, how you can quickly analyze and become master in this. So you guys must join our online classes and become the master of a stock market. See, this is the short build up stocks. You can check the technical data by clicking on the symbol also. See, this data we have already explained to you. Now check the other feature of the app, watchlist signals. What is watchlist signal? It is just like the special screener. Here you select your all watchlist and find all the intraday. See how all the intraday stocks from all the watchlist has been shown. This is the beauty. Jackpot buy. See, all the jackpot buy from all your watchlist has been come. Suppose you want a particular jackpot. See, so this is the, suppose you want to check from the particular watchlist, select that watchlist. Otherwise, if you want to check all the from all the watchlists, then click select all. See, all the stocks will come. So easy way of finding all the jackpot stocks from your watchlist. This is the beauty. Now quickly go to the market breadth. What is market breadth? You can read about here the preview page of the market breadth, how it will help you. Now click on the subscribe button. We have here the advanced decline ratio. This shows the market breadth. If the advance is greater than the decline, the market is strong. You can check here the percentage of stocks, how many stocks are up in a sector and how many are down, and calculated on the basis of the percentage of stocks. If any sector is going with more than 60-70% percentage of stocks, that sector is a good sector. So 60%, suppose IT and software sector, 89 stocks are there and 61 point something percent is of a stock. So you can check all the stocks here. You can sort it like this. Check the star icon. Here you can check from the star icon signal times. You can sort it. You can check the counter. Here you can check the counter also. This is the beauty. Here you can check the quickly buy above levels. Here you can check the quickly sell below levels. This is the market breadth. The market breadth work in the, this is the bottom up approach. When any sector is going up, you grab the stocks from that sectors. So this is the market breadth. See, this is the beauty. Now quickly go to the sector analysis. What is sector analysis? Click on the subscribe page. This is the sector analysis. Which sector has gone up? These are the top gainers, top 5 gainers from the different sectors. We have chosen 6 sector here. A small cap, mid caps, Nifty 50, Nifty 500, next Nifty. You can check by clicking on the symbols. The technical page will open. See, if any stock is common in the top 5 in any sector, that stock is a sure shot buy. So find the common stocks here. Otherwise, you see the which sector is up. See, energy sector in Friday close is up here. So you can check the energy sectors stocks. So this is the bottom approach of a stock. Here the stocks are listed. Here stocks are listed in percentage change, 1 day change, 1 week change, 1 month change, and also star functions are there. You can check by going here all the parameters which I already explained to you. So this is the beauty of the sector analysis. Now quickly go to the Nifty signals. Here Nifty and Bank Nifty recording is done. See, this is the 23rd recordings. How directional movement it gives in Bank Nifty, how it has changes. So you first remember the first two levels. When there is a market fluctuating like this in the Bank Nifty, you just remember the first two levels, first two row of the levels of the Nifty or Bank Nifty. You trade as per this level only. This page will help you in the option trading and stock future trading. This is the beauty of the with recommended price, signal time and signal. Old signal is this signal. Intraday sell, first was the intraday sell, then from intraday sell to intraday buy, it has come to 928. So this is the beauty of the signal recording. This is the Nifty signal, Bank Nifty signal. So this page will help in trade in the option trading, future trading. So this is very important for the F&O traders, these signals. Even if you want to check the direction of the market, you can check the signal recording here. This is accuracy of this signal recording is more than 70-80%. More than 80% accuracy is there. Now let us go quickly to the chart and levels. Chart and levels, preview page is there. You can check the preview page. What is this? Here you can find the unique way of presenting the data. Suppose you want to check the Nifty 50 gainers. You can quickly check here the top gainers stocks chart. Guys, without seeing the chart, don't buy in the intraday. So see, this is the how the HCL Tech is going breaking out with the huge volume. You can check the yesterday range, buy above range, daily pivots, weekly pivots. So this way you can check it and zoom out. So this is the beauty. If you want to check the intraday charts in live market, it will show the 5-minute charts, 50-minute charts, and you can plot the levels in this also. Since market is not light, that's why these charts are not showing. So this quickly you can find top gainer charts very easily and check it. Plot the levels and enjoy. So this is the beauty of the chart and levels. Okay, now quickly go to the another beautiful hourly gainer and losers. Here you can find also the which stocks in the last 5 minutes, last 15 minutes has gone up. See, select the 5 minutes and select the timing. Is this way you can check the results and see which has gained the most. Since the data has changed, so nothing will come. So this is the way. See, in last 5 minutes which stock has gone 1%, HCL Tech, Infratel 0.67%. So this way you can the last hour mover and gainers you can easily find here. So you can check the technicals by clicking on the symbol also. You can check the alert by clicking on the alert. Suppose you want to take the alert from Nifty 50, 15 minutes time, percentage change, you add the percentage when any stock is gone above 1.2% in 15 minutes, you must notify. So alert will come. So this is the way you can, even you can delete here. You can delete easily and add easily. That this is the beauty of the alert. So you can, all the alerts will come in the signal notification which already we have shown you. That this is the beauty of this feature. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 60 minutes gainer we can easily find and check the breakout stocks during the live market. This is the beauty. Now we have already explained all the features, premium features. There is a my portfolio and robo portfolio. Watch list is there. I already explained. Robo portfolio we have not explained. So this is the robo portfolio. You don't have any knowledge about any stocks, no worry. Just give your inputs. Robo will select stocks for you. Don't worry. Robo will choose stocks for you. See, these are the parameters we have filled. This is the arbitrary parameters and see the result. This is the result which has come. So refined result. Only two you can save in your portfolio. See, you have saved Robo XYZ. We have saved this result. So you can check the performance of a robo selected stocks here also. So you can check the performance of the robo stocks also. See, here we have saved the data on this 4 May and see the performance. This is the beauty of the robo portfolio selection stocks. you can easily, if you don't have a knowledge, make portfolio made by the robo. So you can select the mid cap stocks, select the mid caps, mid cap result will come. If you want to a small cap, select the small caps, see, and save it. So this is the beauty of this robo portfolio selected stocks. So guys, if you if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channels, click on the bell icon so that all the notification of all the videos about the stock market technical analysis uploaded you get on the right time and you can enjoy in free. So that's all.